Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground right now. On the ground. Get on the ground.
On August 14th, 2025, St. Petersburg Police Department officers respond to a domestic disturbance after 21-year-old Trayvon Maynor forces his way into his partner's car, assaults her, then grabs their 1-year-old baby and runs into traffic with the child on his back. What you're about to see is the foot chase and the moment an officer saves the baby.
What's wrong with the baby, bro? What's wrong with the baby, bro?
Stop! Stop! Get it!
Get on the ground. Get on the ground right now. On the ground. Get on the ground.
Don't let me up my stomach.
Stop!
Stop it. Well, let me up my stomach.
Was the role transmitting to each other? We do have them detained at this time, and we have the baby, correct? Right, where do we have them?
Oh, my mama, I'll be back. Bro, why you roughing me up?
Relax, bro.
Man, get this shit on camera, man.
It is on camera.
I'm telling you.
Go on camera.
You roughing me up.
On that side.
I'm thirsty as Well, I've been thirsty since the first time I ever seen you. Look, I'm about to pass.
Maybe you don't run.
Yeah, 331 Alpha, 331 Bravo, head that way, 16.
Yeah. I just need a second because I caught the baby. The mom is uncooperative with police from earlier. Okay.
Hey, you go up here, last way.
Bro, you got, bro.
Hey,
Pete.
up here, last way.
You're gonna be sprayed.
Bro, why? Why are y'all doing this to me? I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
212 Bravo, mark it. OC sprayed administered.
He sprayed administered.
Alright, you guys are talking. Hey, do you want to take him? She said let's get him out of the room, right?
Transport him to the station.
Okay. I'll walk you over there. You got it? Okay.
I got it.
That's the moment an officer risked it all to save that 1-year-old from traffic. Trayvon Maynor now faces serious felony charges. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next call. Stay safe out there. We'll see you in the next one.